So ayun, what's up mga job hunters, mga master. So ayun, hiring yung agency na nagpaalis sa akin ng on-call cleaner, female, bound to Saudi Arabia, Saudi, Middle East. Ito mga master, ang qualification with or without work experience is allowed. So pwede pala rito yung walang experience. At least high school graduate, must know basic English, no visible tattoo, must physically fit, must be first time to work in Saudi Arabia, at least 152 cm height, at least 50 to 75 kg. So ang benefits mga master, salary package 1.8 Saudi Riyal, monthly na salary yon. So with food allowance, accommodation and transportation provided po yan ng company. So with placement fee ang job hiring na ito mga master, at salary deduction naman. So pwede kayong mag-submit ng inyong CV kaya Ma'am Zyla Risa Garcia. Andyan po ang kanyang contact details, zr Garcia at 21ststcmri.com. So ayun, ang 21st mga master, ito po yung agency na nagpaalis sa akin papunta dito sa New Zealand. At itong job hirings na ito ay papunta po ito ng Saudi Arabia, Middle East po ito mga master. Kaya kung ikaw ay gustong sumubok sa overseas na magtrabaho, try mo nang mag-apply dito sa 21st Century. Located po ito sa 1520 JR Building, Quezon Avenue, South Triangle, Quezon City. So nandyan po lahat ng contact details nila, at ilalagay ko rin po ito sa description at sa comment section. So good luck mga masters. Sana All TV, laging proud Pinoy at laging pusong Pinoy ang vlogger-vloggeran dito sa New Zealand.